Emma. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about funny English moments today.
Oh, really? What happened this time?
You know me. Something embarrassing always happens when I'm speaking English.
Okay, now I'm excited. Tell me everything.
Oh, wait, before we start. Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. We're here to help you learn English in a fun and natural way.
Yep. And today we're talking about funny, real stories that help you speak English naturally.
And trust me, we have many.
Okay, first story. This happened at a coffee shop.
Oh, no. This is already good.
So I went to order coffee. I said, "Hi, can I get a latte?"
Simple enough?
The barista looks at me and says, "A what?"
Already?
Yes. And I panicked. So I said, a hot milk coffee thing?
No way.
Yes. And then she goes, "Oh, a latte. Sure."
So your English disappeared?
Completely. My brain pressed the off button.
But honestly, that's normal. Sometimes when people ask, sorry, what? Your brain freezes.
Yes, and that's why practicing simple sentences helps so much.
Like, I'd like a latte, please. Can I get a small coffee? Sorry, can you repeat that?
Exactly. Short, simple, clear.
Okay, my turn. I have a story too.
Yes, go.
So I was at the grocery store, right? I wanted to ask the worker, where is the sugar?
Okay.
But instead, I said, where is the shower?
No way.
Yes. The guy looked at me like, Sir, are you okay?
A shower in the grocery store?
I don't know. My mouth betrayed me.
Sugar shower. Yeah, that's close.
Yeah, and that happens to every English learner.
Even native speakers.
True. So don't feel bad. Just practice slow, clear pronunciation.
Okay, next story is my favorite.
Oh, uh-oh.
So I wanted to compliment my friend's new haircut.
Sweet.
I meant to say, "Your hair looks nice today."
Okay.
But I accidentally said, "Your hair looks noise today."
Noise.
Yes.
What did she do?
She said, is that good?
To be fair, her hair was loud.
Stop it.
This is a great example.
Yes. Many English words look similar, but mean totally different things.
Like nice versus noise, desert versus dessert, ship versus sheep.
Ship and sheep can create big problems.
Yup. Choose wisely. Okay, one more story.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
I met a little kid, like 4 years old.
Oh, cute.
He asked me, what's your favorite animal?
And?
I said, I like bears.
Okay.
He looks at me very seriously and says, wrong.
Wrong.
Yes. Fully confident. Wrong.
Kids don't care about your feelings.
Exactly. And then he says, the correct answer is dinosaur.
He corrected your favorite animal.
Well, sometimes kids win.
Actually, kids are great English teachers.
True. They speak short, simple, natural.
No big words,
No pressure.
just real English. Ooh, the elevator story.
Oh, no.
Tell them.
Fine. So I got into an elevator with a stranger,
Mm-hmm.
and I wanted to say, "How's your day?"
Mm-hmm.
But I said, "How's your face?"
No.
I'm embarrassed, Lap. I wanted to die right there.
What did the person do?
I, they said, uh, it's fine? I have never left an elevator faster.
Aw. But see, all these funny mistakes helped us learn.
Yes, mistakes make your English stronger.
Aw. When you laugh, you remember more.
And every time you speak, even if you say, "How's your face?" you get better.
Exactly.
So don't be afraid to speak, even if it sounds funny.
Real English comes from real life. Hey, friends, tell us in the comments.
What is your funniest English mistake?
We want to read them.
Don't be shy. We shared ours.
And if you enjoyed this conversation,
Hit the like button.
subscribe for more fun, simple English every week.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.